I'm waiting for the water to boil for hot water bottles tonight because it's dipping colder. Maybe you can hear the water boiling in the electric kettle. I feel massively, tremendously blessed. Today was a really good day. And there have been a number of very good parts of days with which I have done feats of awesomeness. I don't remember them, but we have recordings. The world is sort of slightly golden, just a little. And the sun is setting. And the wind, like breath, is moving through all things. And I feel good, even not connecting verbal memory, because every moment I'm doing work that benefits my body and safeguards my family and helps to heal my community. The intuitive public radio reaches across a lot of communities so that they can talk to one another and to the individuals more effectively. So many communities don't have successful communication strategies. But intuitive public radio is itself a kind of communications strategy. That's the kettle. I'm glad to have a communication strategy that is working. I'm going to sit and be still. I hope you have a really good night too.